Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find liked videos, photos, posts on Facebook. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook application, and then in this interface at the bottom right you need to click on the menu icon right up here, and then at the top right click on the settings icon. Then you will see this interface. You need to scroll down and find your activity section. Here it is, and then click on the first option, activity log. Then you need to click on the first option, your Facebook activity, and then click on the first one, blue button, manage comments and reactions. So after that, in this interface you will see all your liked videos, photos and posts on Facebook. You can actually find your comments. You can actually click on the filters button if you want, and then categories, and then for example comments, and after that you will see all your comments. So and that's all, and that's how to find liked videos, photos, posts on Facebook. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.